Before we start, I would really appreciate it if you want to support me, if you want to donate, you will find in the description a link to donate. Thank you so much. Hello, my name is Daniel and welcome to another car project on this channel. Before we start, subscribe and like this video, in this way I will know you want to see more videos like this. This video is about a Dacia 3010 1.7 turbo 114 horsepower. This old Dacia 3010 was before a simple Dacia, but passion is not about how old or young it's a car. Owner changed engine and a lot of engine parts, changed interior parts, put another wheels, and it's an awesome project still under construction. What do you think about this passion?
You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project. Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me. Thank you for watching this video, I hope you like it and thank you so much for your support. It means a lot for me. See you next time.